Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toits, oh. Yeah, no. Ingat. Good morning. Good afternoon na pala. Hintay ng mga bata. Parang kayo maigi, ha? Magsisikap ako. Ito na, Mayor. Atubis. Chairman.
Kung gusto nyo, doon kayo. Doon na lang kayo. Sorry. Rektora, lagyan mo. We just last Monday, no? Ay, sorry. Okay ka nila. Paul? Okay. Kasi siya na kayo at minadali ko kagad ko. Last night, about 7 o'clock, even Batangas pala in the past experienced the same hardship with Jet. But they went it up to 500. Now, with the new leadership of Jet, hopefully, they'll come to their senses and logical mind that they cannot operate with that kind of head-on with the universities. Masabi ko naman, kasi commitment ko kay President sa aking chairman, ay paralang dito sa kanila. Today, I would like to inform you through the airport and the taxpayers of Manila are happy to inform you that we are going to give top water. That is a total amount of 170.
Thank you sa inyo, pati sa mga viewers nyo and followers nyo. Oh, marami na kayong aabangan.
Yes, excited
Handa
na po
ba kayo
kami.
mapuyat?
Yes naman, your man.
Ay makapagpasalamat sa inyong lahat. At sa ating mga vloggers, shout out sa lahat ng vloggers. You survive. Abonado pa kayo. Thank you very much sa inyo, ha? Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toits, oh. Yeah, no. Ingat.